Hi y'all, it's me Anaya and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, I have some bad news. I am gonna stop on YouTube. I am not gonna make content for you guys. Me and Crystal really enjoyed it. And like Crystal said, we really just think it will be for the best. We didn't get the hype, and we really wanted to make good content for you guys. We also really tried, but it seems like you guys aren't really interested in the content we make. I respect it. People have different interests. But we tried and it didn't really work out. It started being a joke, but then we thought we can actually get big. And we didn't want to get big for the fame. We wanted to get big to make people happy and make people watch our videos, because, yeah, then maybe they would enjoy it. So, guys, like I said, this is all for the best. We didn't do this to, because we didn't like you guys or anything, but we just didn't really think we could be on YouTube anymore. Sorry guys, I think we should end here. Bye y'all, hope you're having a good day, and hope you understand. But go to our TikTok, by the way. Our username is, here, I'll put it right here. Guys, wait for a second. Our name is BFF Squad /123, and here you go. It didn't come up, guys. I'm really sorry, but yeah. You can try to find us. Our name is PFF Squad, and then you go 123 and 123. You can see it up here. So yeah, bye y'all.